Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bell for a Christmas tree. My bell is about 3.5 inches tall and I made it using this cotton thread size 10 and my hook is almost 2 millimeters. We'll start making the bell with chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which we'll make into a circle using a slip stitch in the first chain, and I'll also make chain 40 for a loop hanger. If you do not want a loop hanger crocheted, just skip this step. Now I will make a slip stitch in this little circle that we made, and the loop hanger is ready. We are now going to make 7 groups of 2 double crochets separated by chain 1 in this little circle, and we are also going to include this end of the thread and part of the loop hanger in our work. We'll start with chain 3 as the first double crochet, and another double crochet. We have 2. Chain 1, we'll make 2 more double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more, chain 1, and now we are not going to be using this loop hanger anymore, but we'll continue including this thread in our work. We need to make 4 more groups like this, groups of 2 double crochets. So now we have 4 of those, 5, chain 1, 6, chain 1, and the last one. We now have 7 groups. We'll make chain 1 and a slip stitch in the third chain that we made at the beginning of the round, like this. Now we can pull the loop hanger to the front of our work, and we can just cut off this thread. Now in each chain that we made, we are going to make a group of 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches, and we are going to repeat this exact pattern 6 times, and 2 more times with slight differences here. The difference between the rounds will be here between the groups of double crochet stitches. We'll start each round with 2 double crochet stitches, because we need to get into this space between double crochets. Then we'll make chain 3 as the first double crochet and another double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and now without any chains we'll just move to this next space made by chain 1, and we'll repeat the same sequence of 2 double crochet stitches, chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches, and one more time here, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, and continue working like this. We'll need to make 4 more groups like these. At the end of the round, a slip stitch in the third chain, Now 2 slip stitches at the beginning of the next round as usual, chain 3 and a double crochet, chain 2 and the 2 double crochets. We did not make any chains in this round. In the next one we are going to be making chain 1 between these groups. So we'll repeat the usual sequence, two double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and chain 1, and continue like this. At the end, chain 1 and the slip stitch in the third chain as usual. Now we are going to do something a little different. We have finished these 3 rounds, and in the next one, after our usual group, we'll make chain 2, a single crochet, and chain 2. As usual, we'll make 2 slip stitches at the beginning, chain 3, a double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets. And now chain 2, a single crochet between these groups, chain 2, and the usual sequence of 2 double crochets, chain 2 and the 2 double crochets, chain 2, a single crochet, chain 2, and so on. At the end, chain 2 and the slip stitch in the third chain. We have finished this round. In the next one, we'll be making the usual groups and chain 3 between them. So 2 slip stitches, chain 3, a double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets. This is as always. And now chain 3 between the groups and continue like this. So we have finished this round. In the next round we'll be repeating what we did in the round before, but instead of 2 chains we are going to be making 3 here, a single crochet and chain 3 again. So as always, 2 slip stitches, chain 3, a double crochet, chain 2, 2 double. And now, like in this round, we are making chains, this time chain 3, a single crochet in the middle of the 3 that we have here, and chain 3, and continue working like this until the end of the round. We are here now. The next 2 rounds will be almost the same as these 2, so we'll make a round with 3 chains between the groups, and then a round with chain 3, a single crochet, and chain 3. The only difference will be chain 3, not chain 2, here between the double crochets. 2 slip stitches, chain 3, a double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 3, and repeat it 6 more times. And in the next round we are making 2 slip stitches, chain 3, a double crochet, and now the difference, chain 3, not 2 as usual. And after that the usual sequence, 2 double crochet stitches, chain 3, a single crochet here in the middle of the 3, chain 3, and repeat it 6 more times. And now we'll be making the last round of double crochet stitches with chain 3 between these double crochets and chain 3 between the groups. 2 slip stitches as always, chain 3, a double crochet stitch, chain 3, 2 double crochets, and chain 3 before we move to the next group. Now we have 2 rounds left. In the first of those rounds, here between the double crochets, we'll be making a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and chain 5 between these groups. 2 slip stitches as usual at the beginning. Chain 1 is the first single crochet and chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and now chain 5. Moving on to the next group here, and making a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet, chain 5. And repeat this all the way around. At the end of the round, chain 5 and a slip stitch in the first chain that we made and counted as the first single crochet. And now the last round. In chain 3 we are going to make a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. In chain 4 we are going to repeat what we just did here. A single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. And in chain 3 we'll make a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. Here we'll make chain 2, a single crochet that will wrap all the chains that we have here, and we'll connect them, and chain 2. We'll start with 1 slip stitch this time. Chain 1 is the first single crochet, and chain 3, a single crochet in the same chain. Moving on to this chain 4, and we'll make a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and moving on to chain 3, a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet, like this. Now chain 2, a single crochet that connects all the chains that we have here, chain 2, and one more time, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. Here in chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 4, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and in the next chain of 3, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 2, a single crochet that wraps around both chains that we have here, and chain 2, and continue like this 5 more times. At the end of the round, a single crochet, chain 2, and a slip stitch in this first chain of this round. And this is it. Cut off the thread and hide its end like this. And now to the most important part, which is to find something to shape your bell on. As you can see, I use clay a lot. You could also consider making a shape using something like this plastic bottle with aluminum foil and plastic wrap on it. Or you might be able to find appropriate shapes on Amazon or stores like Michael's. I found nice bell shapes on Amazon, but they are a little too small for my purposes, only about 2 inches tall if you are using thinner thread. I will leave the link in the description of this video. To shape the bells, we'll use cornstarch. We'll mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about a 1/4 cup of cold water. We'll add this mixture to a cup of boiling water, stirring all the time. Remove it from heat and let it cool a little. Then we soak what we crocheted for a few minutes. Then we take it all out, wring it out well, and put it on the shapes that we have prepared and leave it to dry. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video and the bell that we made together. On my channel there are other videos with Christmas bells and other ornaments for Christmas trees. Watch them if you are interested. And if you would like to be informed of all the new projects, please subscribe to the channel and push the bell button. See you next time. Bye bye.